kukhulunywa kanjalo uthi umoya ogcwele ngithi sitheli windi ayiwisdom ukuhlakana okuphela uNkulunkulu sathi lokhuzana umnyango asiphuma uNkulunkulu engakasho nanoma ngabe kuyashisa ngoba uma sophuma siphumela sesiqale kuzoma simize emanzini noma ngabe kuyashisa kodwa asizophuma awungaba ngabe ubona so understand asiphumi sehlala phakathi akushini silingise alithi get out hello shayaka uthumeke sasesithi intembisi elevation hey besithi elevation besithi radical faith ngoba sesiwe act haleluya bazalwane lithi iBhayibheli uma silibamba lapha ku-18 uthi but I will establish my covenant with you and you will enter the ark, you and your sons and your wife, and your wife and your son's wife. Uthi imumo ingcwele uNkulunkulu wayeyibophezela kuNoah ethe kumkholweni kwami kumkholweni kwakho mina ngiyayibophezela kuwe uma ngithi establish covenant wena wakhumkhumbe kushilo ungena nomndeni wakho bayasala abanye udikela izinto phezu komndeni wakho mina ngizokunika isiqiniseko ukuthi ngoba uhamba nami ungikholwa I would sustain you awukosami ngoba uhamba nami ungikholwa I would carry you lithi iBhayibheli until you are big until you are old ngathi ngishonele lapho angithi wena uvume wakho umkhuphi ngakho-ke mina ngizobophezela uNkulunkulu akakhulumi uNkulunkulu ngeblessing ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngale akakhulumi lutho uthi wena ngoba nje usuwaphile wamkhola ungangiboni wamkhola ukuthi uNkulunkulu yima wangaquestiona lokuthi kanjani uthi kimi umoya engcwele zami uyazini ukuthi lalingaguqubele lokuqubala izulu lashisa nje impela futhi kwangoDisemba kanje uma ngihlele emsebenzini uthi uma ngithi uNoah yakhumkhulu waqila umhlaba wonke wathi buka ngifuna ukutshengisa nangempela masibona isithombe somkhulu kuqile yonke into wathi that's a radical faith that is a radical faith because logical bese kuba no supernatural always umkhumbi float ungamizi amanzi angaphezulu komhlaba kodwa umkhumbi ungaphezulu radical faith unowakha supernatural uNkulunkulu eseka awukosama eseka impilo zakho eseka abantwana bakho eseka ibandla ngoba siyalapha ku-forcefully asisangeni advancing u-advance ukhulumi ngebandla kodwa ukhuluma ngathi uqobo ukuze lizo-advansa lizo-advansa ngathi angikwazi bazalwane ukudideka uma selingena abantu ngoba sezongena o-businessman angikwazi ukudideka ungena ama-politician bese ubaba limbiza ngamagama ukuthi ungathi